Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
Hello everybody, today we are headed to Four Corners. Four Corners Monument, they call it Monument, I saw the sign over there. We just came back from Mesa Verde. It's only 1 hour away from Mesa Verde, so if you're in Mesa Verde, looking at the Pueblo people housing back 1,000 years ago, it's, you know, you gotta check that off, that Four Corners. It's not a lot to see there, aside from the very spot where 4 states in the United States meet there equally in a 90-degree angle, and that is Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. So we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna let you know how much it is to enter. It is in an Indian reservation. I believe it's a Navajo Reservation. We're gonna let you know how much it is. We're gonna show you what it looks like and what you can expect if you are around this area and you plan on making this trip. All right, stick around. There you go, the Navajo Nation Four Corners Monument, Tribal Parks, United States of America. Park admission, general public $5 per person, buses $5 a person. So basically everybody $5 a person, except children that are 6 or younger. They enter free. So, all right, you see as one car comes out, they let another one in. And as you can see right there, they do take credit cards here, not just cash, okay? In case you're wondering. All right, so you park over here on the side. This is Four Corners. No pets, only service dogs allowed. And I'm assuming there'll be a line waiting to take a picture right here. Yeah, there is a line. Oh yeah, there is a line. And there are souvenirs all around here. Some souvenir booths, not a few actually. All right, and you can see Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah right there. There's a line here. They ask you to limit 3 photos. I don't know how they can enforce that, but here you go. 3 photos. And some booths out here. All right, go ahead.
I got you. Okay.
Go ahead. And there's none. And that is Four Corners. Gotta check that off the list. Nana and I, honey, this way? Okay, we're gonna go this way. She wants to check out what's in this side. Nana and I are gonna go ahead and head out. So again, $5 per person. There are 50% capacity right now, so you might have to wait in line. We waited in line for about 10-15 minutes. Then there was a line over there to take a picture. That's another 10 minutes or so. But with 100 degrees, you can feel it. And there's some vendors out here, tribal vendors here, with some art. And the state flags and tribal flag. And you just park over here. We're gonna go ahead and head out. The food and ice cream they used to have is closed right now. I'm assuming because of COVID. But that was it. Four Corners, checked off our list. We're ready for our next stop. We're gonna try to make it to Monument Valley.
That's gonna stop here.
Yeah. If not, all right, our next stop, Moab, Utah. We're gonna be at Arches National Park. I'll see you then. All right, and mask required. How do you pull out the mask?
Me too, or you?
Both. So you have to wear a mask over here. Cash only. All right, so this is the View Hotel, the only hotel in town here, but you see the cabins, visitor center parking. It's right here on the left, so I'm gonna go ahead and park over here. View Campground. They are open, partially open only. The self-guided tours are not available. So you cannot drive around like you could before and use the self-guided tour. The only thing you could do is come in. It costs $20 for the car to get in, up to 4 people. You can pay for the tour. You can hire a guide tour, but they don't tell you how. Or you can just come in, pay the $20, and go to the overlook and take some pictures from there. And that's it. That's really it.